we end each of these assemblies with a performance, this is a very exciting part. I just want to take a moment to speak about the importance of these performances and how it connects to our theme of community. So I'd like to take a moment to read a portion of the Scholars Academy Equity Statement. This Equity Statement was written in 2020-2021. It's short, don't worry. But it is still in effect today, and it's quite connected to our theme of community, as well as the performance itself. I really want to urge you to listen carefully to this equity statement, as it is something you should be considering in all the interactions that you have here. Scholars Academy is one of the most diverse schools in New York City, bringing students of many races, ethnicities, and religions from surrounding neighborhoods to engage together in learning. Our diversity is our strength. This diversity is the very heart of our school community. It makes us smarter, stronger, and more creative. We must remain steadfast in our commitment to valuing each other and understanding the different perspectives of people within our community. Our students are the leaders of the future. We must seize every opportunity to educate our students and unite them against hatred, bias, and violence by modeling inclusivity and acceptance. We are a community of learners committed to empathy and resilience. We celebrate the things that bring us together. We also respect our different perspectives as opportunities to learn from one another. So today's performance is one of the ways in which we celebrate our diversity and learn about some of the cultures within our community. It's also a tremendous example of student voice and leadership. So I want to take a moment to thank the advisors who supported the students in preparing for today's assembly. Can we give a round of applause to Mr. Santos, Ms. Quintana, and Ms. Blanco? And to the student performers who put this performance together. It was a tremendous amount of time. We were even here on a Saturday preparing for this, multiple after-school rehearsals. Students prepared all the choreography on their own, and they really did an outstanding job. Please respectfully enjoy the show.
Bienvenidos. Les queremos dar las gracias por estar con nosotros y compartir el mes de Hispanidad con nosotros.
Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for coming today to our celebration for Hispanic Heritage Month.
We want to say thank you to admin, the media team,
and some of our behind the scenes people, our stage crew, our artists, and all our other supporters.
So thank you and enjoy the show.
To us, Hispanic heritage is appreciating origin, ancestry, food, music, dance, bachata y merengue, salsa, cumbia, and more modern reggaeton. And recognizing power in community and unity.
For this year's theme,
here's the paper. Okay. You two in this performance.
Okay. In this performance, you're going to see diversity in music, dance, all from different Latin countries.
Starting off with bachata and merengue.
que domina mis sentidos con solo tocar mi piel. Y como a mí también. Otro hombre solo le puede suceder.
Que solo por un beso
se puede enamorar sin necesidad de hablarse, solo los labios rozarse, Cupido los flechará.
y solo por un beso
Con ella soy feliz, tan solo con un besito me llevo al infinito y ni siquiera la conozco bien.
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, bésame, bésame, suave, bésame otra vez. Suave, yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, besa, besa, bésame un poquito. Suave, besa, 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 bésame otro ratito.
Soy un bohemio loco, no sé lo comente al perro.
pensamientos, tu piel morena, tiene que ser, tu piel morena, tiene que ser, ¿qué voy a hacer? Se te nota que tú me estás hablando y con tu mirar me estás embrujando. Hablemos de amor, ven y dame un beso. Se te nota que tú estás por eso. Se te nota, se te nota, se te nota, mamá, se te nota. Se te nota, se te nota, se te nota, mamá, se te nota. Negrita, ve, prende la vela. Negrita, ve, prende la vela. Que va a empezar la cumbia en Marbella, cerca del mar, bajo las estrellas.
Prende la vela, que la cumbiamba pide candela. Prende la vela, que la cumbiamba pide candela. Prende la vela, que la cumbiamba pide candela.
Mapalé pide candela, el mapalé.
De las cumbias en el repertorio se llama la cumbia del indio. Hey, tapa. Y es la cumbia del indio.
A gozar, no hay que sufrir, no hay que llorar. La vida es una y es un carnaval, como en los
Esto es lo que quieren.
se limita a la hora de romper su pum pum. Lo más caliente que surge. Como bailando caliente. De pali de frente. No sabores el sol, tu bronceado y el calor. Puedes estarme. Masivo. Daddy Yankee, yo. Masivo. Daddy Yankee, yo.
Let's give it up one more time for this month's Hispanic Heritage performance. That was quite the performance. We hope you enjoyed the show. Again, this was bachata, merengue, salsa, cumbia, and reggaeton. We wanted to exaggerate the meaning of being united to celebrate something we all have in common, a love for music. But please, let's give it up for our two seniors, Kimberly and Faith. Now that the show is closing, Kim, would you like to remind the crowd what today's theme was?
Todos somos uno.
Bye, guys. I hope you have a great day. Woo! But wait, we have a live